Look, I love you too much to see you destroyed.
Destroyed by what? By whom? What force out there can do that to me?
Look, I have said enough.
Damn you, man, spit it out!
The truth will hurt.
Is it the truth, Iago? Let me decide.
Cassio, the young ram has been seen on more than one occasion, romantically entwined, indeed, in a passionate embrace with Desdemona, with no regard for whom was watching.
Tread carefully when you tell me why my wife will be kissing Cassio. Why?
There is one logical reason.
Then tell me for not to fuck out!
They have been lovers for some time.
Lovers?
Yes. Cassio has been boasting that he has the Moor's wife as his concubine.
Lie, lie! Who spread these dirty lies?
No, it's the truth. Since you gave Cassio that misguided promotion, he's been gloating, saying what a big black cuckolded fool you are for bringing him closer to her, making it so easy for him to win her over.
Desdemona, my love, my life, my beauty, get me proof!
Oh, I will curse those monsters to defile your marital bed like that.
My bed?
They say it was Desdemona who led him to your bedroom in a wicked act to defile your power.
Burn the sheets, burn the bed, burn the house, burn my heart. I will kill her this very night. I will cut her into many pieces.
Oh, and the names he calls you, shocking, vile, unspeakable names. Nigger, monkey boy, Sambo. Just because you dared take a white wife, he calls you the token colored boy in his emails to her.
Cassio said this about me. I can't believe it. I don't believe Desdemona. She would never do this to me. Cassio, listen.
Good.
If this is one of your sick jokes to wreck my marriage, it's not funny. And I promise you, I will hold you all responsible for my suffering. And I will cut out your lying, evil tongues.
You know I could never lie to you. Look, I am telling you the truth as I have heard it from good, honest men.
Then prove it, I say, prove it!
Cassio has the ring you gave Desdemona.
My mother's ring?
Yes. The one you held so dear. Cassio, he parades it like it's some sort of trophy to prove he's fucking Othello's woman.
That ring could have been stolen!
No, she gave it to him. The same way she led him to your bedroom. I am only repeating what has been told to me and what I have seen.
You have seen them?
Yes. With your permission, my brother, give me 2 weeks and I will give you irrefutable proof of this deception.
Cassio and my wife. My life is over. I am lost. I am dead without her. Desdemona, why have you betrayed me? Don't you know how much I love you? I would rather be a toad and live up on this vapor of dungeon than keep a corner in that thing I love for others to use.
Oh, my friend, my friend. It tears me apart to break this news to you, but I couldn't stand by and see you destroyed.
I thank you, my brother. It's best that I know. You only want what's best for me. You're a good man. I appreciate your honesty. Why did I marry her, Iago? Why? My whole life has been polluted. Get me your proof and bring it quickly!
It will pain me to spy on Desdemona.
Do you believe she could have done this to me, Iago? Do you?
If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes, no, never, but then she was able to deceive her own father and marry you when he strictly forbade it. But does that set a precedent? I wouldn't want to judge her unfairly.
I know she lied to her father. We discussed this. But her father was ashamed of his daughter falling in love with a black man. But we were not prepared to let his small-minded bigotry get in ways of our plan. So we went ahead and...
Excuse me.
Move out of the way, move! Why my man never wants to me, man?
And what or who might you be?
Takisha, my name. And me a breed and fearless of the baby father.
Antoine.
Antoine. Me never even know say I saw your name.
Antoine, my son? There's no way he could be so desperate. Iago, get this
Takisha, my name.
please, take it out.
My dear, if you'd just like to...
Touch me again, you see, white boy. And I kick down the whole out in there tonight. And I left until me see my baby father.
He's in prison.
Prison? Why am I do that and you have a pity there for mine?
I can see why Antoine never mentioned you. What manhole or dustbin did you crawl from?
Why you not gonna suck out your mama pad then?
My mother's what? And this is the language that represents Jamaica? Iago, get this piece of filth out of my office.
Why you don't come do it?
Do you have any idea to whom you're addressing in that manner, young lady?
He look like Dracula and him bitch.
Othello, if I can just have a brief word...
Put it on.
Creature was positively prehistoric. Do barbaric black people like that still actually exist?
All this just goes to show you don't know your own children. You don't know what they are getting up to when you're on the road. Now, how on earth did Antoine get mixed up with the likes of that?
What concerns me more is how did she breach security and get in so easily?
Wanna take me down? Me just a come.
Desdemona, how are you?
Nice to see you.
Likewise.
Raven?
Don't. Do you hear me?
Shall we sit? Bottle of wine, please.
Well, why are we here? Is this another celebration of your victory or just more gloating?
Calm down, please, Raven.
I've nothing to gloat about. We united as a party and we won. Victory's not mine alone, but ours. And I wanted to thank you personally.
For what?
It was a pleasure to stand on the winning platform again, wasn't it?
Look, there must be another reason why we're here.
Actually, there is.
I thought so.
It's not what you think.
Don't presume to know what I think.
Please. I've the utmost respect for you professionally, but I don't think the feeling is mutual. In fact, your tone when we last met was quite beneath you.
Oh, really? So we are going to beat me?
Beat you for what? Come on, Raven, what would that accomplish?
I don't know. Because I'd kick your ass from here to kingdom come.
Desdemona, why are we really here? Is there something we can do for you?
Well, there's two things.